Upgrading your home's windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make. Whether you're looking to increase energy efficiency, improve curb appeal, or enhance comfort, new windows can transform the look and feel of your home. However, navigating the process of choosing the right windows and understanding the installation can feel overwhelming. This complete guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision about upgrading your home windows. Why upgrade your home windows? Upgrading your windows offers numerous benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Here are some of the top reasons homeowners choose to replace or upgrade their windows. Energy efficiency. Old windows can be drafty, causing your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows can help reduce heating and cooling costs, thanks to features like double or triple panes, low-E glass, and gas fills between panes. Enhanced comfort. Modern windows are designed to keep outside elements where they belong. They offer better insulation, which means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Additionally, many new windows provide noise reduction, making your home more peaceful. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows is a great investment. High-quality, energy-efficient windows can increase your home's value and attract potential buyers if you decide to sell. New windows also improve the overall aesthetic, which is a key selling point. Improved safety and security. Newer windows often come with stronger locking mechanisms and tougher glass options. This adds an extra layer of protection against potential break-ins, while also improving the safety of your home during storms or other adverse weather conditions. Types of window upgrades. When upgrading your windows, it's essential to understand the different types available and which ones suit your needs. Here are some popular window types to consider. Double-hung windows. One of the most common window types, double-hung windows have two sashes that slide vertically. They are versatile and easy to clean, making them a favorite for many homeowners. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. They offer excellent ventilation and are easy to operate, making them ideal for hard-to-reach places like over a kitchen sink. Bay and bow windows. These window styles project outward from your home, creating a unique architectural feature. They allow for additional light and can create a cozy seating area or reading nook. Picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that provide unobstructed views and let in lots of natural light. They are perfect for rooms where ventilation isn't a priority. Sliding windows. Sliding windows move horizontally and are ideal for rooms with limited space. They offer easy operation and a clean, modern look. Energy-efficient windows. If reducing energy costs is a priority, look for windows labeled with Energy Star ratings. These windows feature advanced technology, such as low-E coatings and argon gas between panes, to reduce heat transfer. The window installation process. Understanding the window installation process can help you feel more prepared when upgrading your windows. Here's a step-by-step overview of what to expect. Initial consultation. A window expert will assess your home, recommend the best window styles for your needs, and provide a detailed quote. During this consultation, you'll also discuss any special features, such as tinted or tempered glass, that may be beneficial for your home. Measuring for accuracy. Proper measurements are essential to ensuring a perfect fit for your new windows. The professional installer will take exact measurements to prevent issues like air leaks or improper sealing. Removing old windows. On installation day, the crew will carefully remove your old windows, making sure not to damage the surrounding areas of your home. Installing new windows. The new windows will be placed into the existing window openings, leveled and secured. Insulation is added around the frame to prevent drafts, and weatherproofing materials are applied to ensure a tight seal. Final touches. Once the windows are securely in place, the installer will apply caulking and trim to finish the job. They'll also clean up the area and dispose of the old windows, leaving your home spotless. How to choose the right windows. When upgrading your windows, consider these factors to make the best choice for your home. Climate. Windows designed for hot, dry climates may not perform as well in cold, wet regions. Be sure to select windows that match your area's climate. For example, in hot regions like Scottsdale, Arizona, energy-efficient windows with UV protection are ideal. Material. Windows come in various materials, including vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. Vinyl is durable and low maintenance, while wood offers a classic look but may require more upkeep. Glass options. Double-pane windows are standard, but you can upgrade to triple-pane for better insulation. Consider windows with low E coatings to reflect heat or tinted windows to reduce glare and UV rays. Budget. Window upgrades are an investment, so it's essential to balance your budget with the benefits of the windows you choose. Energy-efficient windows may cost more upfront but can save you money in the long run on energy bills. Maintaining your new windows. Once your new windows are installed, proper maintenance will ensure they last for years to come. Clean the glass and frames regularly, inspect the seals for any signs of wear, and lubricate any moving parts to keep them functioning smoothly. This routine care will keep your windows looking and performing like new. Upgrading your home windows is a worthwhile investment that can dramatically improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By selecting the right windows and working with a professional installer, you'll enjoy long-lasting benefits and a refreshed home that's ready for the future.